Hello, this is Sean Tipping with Game Plan Experts. We're going to continue our destruction of the fake Microtech knives. So we're out here with the Holt Tactical doing some shooting drills, and we thought we would go ahead while we're out here and blow one of these up. So we're going to do that, and we will catch on the reverse side when we get down to the other end of the range to shoot. See you soon. I'd say go ahead and get a video of that. As you can see, this is what was left over after we shot the Tannerite with the knife, the fake Microtech attached to it. It disappeared on us. We're not sure where it went, probably over the berm somewhere. But anyway, that was what was left over, and that is knife number 2 in our destruction. Next week we will be doing something else. We're not sure yet, but this was certainly fun, and we want to thank Holt Tactical for having us out to the range to let us shoot. So thanks a lot, and as we always end things, we do the research so you don't have to.